Hello, buddies. Hello, brothers and sisters. Good evening.
Good
Hello, guys.
evening.
Good evening. How are you
Good
today, all?
evening, Bro Coco.
Hello, how are you?
I feel great.
Great.
You
Good.
feel great, yeah?
Alhamdulillah.
Okay, Alhamdulillah, yeah, in a good condition. So tomorrow will be weekend, guys. Do you have any planning for your weekend? What is your plan?
I don't know. I have planned because my village is flood.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Oh, goodness. Okay. Was it raining all day, sister?
Yeah, raining all day.
Raining all day, yeah. Oh goodness. Okay, so yeah, that's a disaster. Yeah, that we talked yesterday about flood and then happened. Yeah, in your place. Goodness. Okay, so sorry to know it, and yeah, please stay healthy, guys, because the weather is not really good, and sometimes we can get the illness. Yeah, everybody the illness. Okay, and I hope whatever that you want to do, you will do on the next day, yeah, or the weekend. So everything will run well like that one. Okay, and but before the weekend, yeah, we have a class, yeah, we have an English class, and we can study together. We can practice our English together. Okay, are you ready, guys, for the class today? Anyway.
I'm
I'm
ready.
ready.
Let's go. Our topic today is very interesting, guys. Yeah, it's about holiday and vacation. Hey guys, do you like vacation? Do you like vacation,
Yes,
guys?
I like it.
Yes.
I like
You
vacation.
like it, all right. Okay. What is the best place in Indonesia for vacation? Would you please recommend me?
I think Labuan Bajo.
Labuan Bajo. I think that's very beautiful. Yeah. Okay. What else?
Bali. Monday Beach in
I
West
Bali.
think
Sumatra.
Danau Toba.
Lombok, Bali,
Balik ya.
Malaysia,
Bandung.
Bandung.
Jogja,
Okay.
Bandung,
Bukit
Uh,
Tinggi.
Bukit Tinggi. Okay. So thank you
Bromo.
for the suggestions. Thank you for the recommendations. Later, you can talk lots, yeah, about it, everybody. Good. Okay, but before it, guys, yeah, I want to know what is the difference of holiday and vacation, guys? Ada yang tahu nggak? Apa
Holiday
sih bedanya
maybe
dari holiday?
only one day.
Mhm.
Vacation maybe a long time. Once month. Maybe like this.
Okay, so
Maybe.
holiday is one day, a day, and
That's good.
vacation is for a long
Yeah.
holiday.
Yes.
Okay, is that it?
Maybe.
Okay, it's fine. How about any other idea, guys? Apa nih kira-kira bedanya holiday and vacation?
Kalau
Day. What is day, guys? Day is hari ya.
Hari. Hari.
Nah, so holiday refers to the day ya, guys. Holiday itu berarti ke hari
Hari-hari.
liburannya ya. Nah, hari liburannya. Nah, itu namanya holiday. But vacation is the activity of the holiday itself ya. Kalau vacation itu ke aktivitas berliburnya. Oke? Jadi holiday itu adalah harinya, vacation itu adalah aktivitas berliburnya. Do you get the point, guys?
Yes.
Guys. Okay, that's it ya. Berarti kalau di akhir tahun gitu ya, ada libur Natal, tahun baru itu namanya holiday apa vacation, guys?
Holiday.
holiday.
Oke. Kalau kita pergi ke Bali, nah itu namanya adalah
Holiday.
holiday apa
Vacation.
vacation?
Vacation. Vacation.
Nah, itu adalah vacation. That's it. Okay, good. Thank you guys. Yeah, that's about holiday and vacation. And now I have a video, so please watch the video together. Kita tonton videonya sama-sama teman-teman ya. It's about the destinations in Indonesia that you have to visit. Destinations, tempat tujuan ya in Indonesia, di Indonesia that you have to visit, yang or you should visit ya, yang seharusnya teman-teman kunjungi. Oke? Dan setelahnya nanti saya tanya ya teman-teman, have you ever traveled to those places? Pernahkah kamu jalan-jalan ke tempat-tempat tersebut? What's your memory there? Apa kenanganmu di sana ya? And do you wanna go back there again? Apakah kamu ingin kembali lagi ke sana, pergi ke sana lagi ya? Yes or no and why? ya atau tidak dan kenapa. Okay, so let me show you the video first. And okay, the video is quite fast ya, everybody. Jadi videonya emang agak cepet teman-teman ya. Jadi nanti silakan sambil dicatat mungkin ya, kira-kira destinasi mana saja yang ada di video tersebut. Dan kira-kira teman-teman pernah ke destinasi yang mana saja di video tersebut. Okay, let me show it. Let's go to watch the video, guys.
On Earth, head to this corner. For some of the most impressive islands on Earth, head to this corner of the Pacific. Welcome to Mojo Travels, and today we're counting down our picks for the top 8 reasons why Indonesia should be your next vacation destination. Are you a fan of our videos? Be sure to subscribe to Mojo Travels and ring the bell to be notified about our latest videos. For this list, we're looking at a variety of cool reasons you should check out this fascinating and heavily populated Asian nation. Yogyakarta, a large city on the island of Java, which is itself the most populous island in the world, Yogyakarta has been growing in popularity in recent years. A calmer, more culturally focused version of the country's capital, Jakarta, which is also on Java, it's an ideal destination for learning more about Indonesia. Paying homage to both the Hindu and Buddhist traditions, Yogyakarta is surrounded by important religious sites. You can also visit vast paddy fields and see how rice, the country's staple food, has been grown for centuries. Or stop at Kali Biru National Park to appreciate the natural beauty of the area. Back in the city itself, you'll be treated to a rich artistic environment, with lots of concerts and performances. Mount Bromo, the crowning glory of the Tenggara Massif, a large volcanic region with many active volcanoes. Mount Bromo is a popular hiking spot. The climb to the peak isn't the hardest trek out there, and can be completed in around 2 hours, but when you reach the top, you'll nonetheless be treated to views of the stunning volcanic vista. At only 7,600 feet, it's by no means the tallest peak around, but is Indonesia's most popular mountain by quite a substantial margin. You could spend a whole week just exploring Java's volcanic east side, though it is worth remembering the area can be unstable and eruptions are common. Diving. Indonesia is one of the countries whose waters make up part of the Coral Triangle, an enormous coral reef in Southeast Asia that's home to 2,000 different species of fish and 6 different species of sea turtles. Because of all this natural beauty, Indonesia is a must-visit for diving enthusiasts. For the best spots, you'll want to go to Raja Ampat, a cluster of gorgeous but rarely visited islands. From here, you can go swimming in the shallows or take a boat out to the open water, where you'll be able to see some of Earth's most beautiful marine life up close. Komodo dragons. The animal kingdom's largest lizards are endemic to Indonesia, and if you're interested in seeing them, a visit to their namesake island, Komodo, is well worth the trip. While you certainly shouldn't try to pet the dragons, there are lots of places where you can see them both in the wild and in captivity. Be warned though, these lizards are large meat eaters with a venomous bite, more than capable of killing a human. However, there have been talks of closing the island to tourists for a year or so in order to help the lizard population grow and thwart smuggling. So if you're desperate to see real-life dragons, you'll want to confirm the island is welcoming tourists before you pick a date. Temples. Indonesia is home to the largest Buddhist temple in the entire world, Borobudur, which you can find just outside of Yogyakarta. Located in Java, this stunning monument dates back to the 9th century. Even if you aren't religious, the architecture is stunning and has been known to leave many visitors speechless. In the same trip, you can also visit Prambanan, an enormous Hindu temple built over 1,000 years ago and dedicated to Shiva, as well as other temples for Vishnu and Brahma. Across the rest of Indonesia, you'll find many more temples, Hindu and Buddhist alike, all celebrating the country's religious diversity. Sumatra. Whereas some parts of Indonesia have become saturated with tourism, much of Sumatra is still wild and untouched. Its dense jungles aren't always accommodating to tourists, but the difficult conditions are worth it for the chance to see some of the world's most endangered animals, including the incredibly rare Sumatran tiger. You might also run into clouded leopards, orangutans, rhinos, and monkeys. But the scenery alone makes Sumatra a fantastic destination. It's home to Indonesia's largest and prettiest lake, Lake Toba. And if the coasts are more your thing, Sumatra has the country's top surfing spots. Jakarta. The Indonesian capital, Jakarta is a bustling metropolis nestled amidst the jungle. With an enormous population of 10 million people, the city is composed of brightly lit busy streets and enormous skyscrapers. With its prevalence of narrow streets, however, the best way to get around Jakarta is by motorcycle, Indonesia's most popular vehicle. It has lots of shopping opportunities, like Taman Anggrek Mall, as well as some more family-friendly attractions like Ragunan Zoo. For all the excitement of Indonesian wildlife without having to go off the beaten track, Jakarta has many opportunities. It's also home to Istiqlal Mosque, the largest of its kind in Southeast Asia. Bali, the world's #1 destination for backpackers. Bali has so much to offer that one could stay there for weeks, never even venturing into the rest of the country. Though we recommend a more well-rounded trip, we do get the appeal. Popular simultaneously for its exciting ceremonies, culture and traditional arts, and for wild parties and hedonism, Bali has everything you need for a memorable vacation. With white beaches and green jungles, what's not to love? Sure, the volcanoes are a little overactive and it tends to get crowded with tourists, but it's a paradise nonetheless. Also, the famous Gili Islands are just a stone's throw away. Dreamy tropical getaways with plenty more diving to be enjoyed. Do you
Okay,
agree?
guys, yeah. So there are some destinations in Indonesia that you should visit, ya. Okay, who wants to practice? Siapapun yang mau praktek boleh diangkat tangannya, ya. I wanna ask you, have you traveled to those places? Pernahkah ke tempat-tempat itu tadi, ya? And okay, what's your memory there? Apa kenangan teman-teman di tempat tadi, ya? And yeah, of course, you wanna go back there again? Apakah pengen balik lagi ke sana, ya? Main ke sana lagi? So please. Okay, so I'll start from Bro Asrar, ya, for the first one. Okay, hello, bro. Good evening.
Good evening, Bro Koko. How are you?
Good evening. I'm very well, bro. How about you? How about your condition now?
Yes, I'm fine too. Thank you.
It's good. Okay, bro. Bro, after watching the video, I want to know, so have you ever traveled to those places?
Not all of those places is only Yogyakarta and Bali. I was
Okay.
visited. Yes.
Yogyakarta and Bali, yeah?
Yes.
Okay. What's your memory, bro, in Yogyakarta and Bali? Would you please share?
Maybe in Yogyakarta, yeah, it was my first time to visit Yogyakarta, so every place I visited felt very memorable and enjoyable.
Good.
So someday I want to go back again to explore the other places in the Yogyakarta.
In Yogyakarta, yeah. Okay.
Yes.
When, bro? When did you visit?
Maybe 2 years ago.
3 years ago. Okay. Good.
Yeah.
Okay, that's about Yogyakarta. And how about Bali, bro? What's your memory of Bali?
Bali is often I visit to there because Bali is next to Lombok Island. It's very far from Lombok, so it's not special for me.
Okay, all right, yeah. It's nearby,
Okay.
bro. So that's not very special.
Very nearby, yes.
So if you have to pick the one that is the best for you, you'll pick Jogja, bro. If you have to choose, will you choose Yogyakarta as the best one?
Yes, I choose the Yogyakarta first. Yes.
Okay. All right, bro Asra, thank you so much. Yeah, that's nice, Sensei. Nice sharing.
Thank you very much, bro.
That's good. Yeah. Okay. And then the next one, yeah. Sis Iis, I will give it to you, Sis Iis. Hello, Sis Iis.
Hi.
Hello. All right. So this is
Good
about.
evening.
Good evening. Okay, this is related to holiday
Campur ya,
vacation.
seperti biasa campur.
It's okay. It's okay, sister. Yeah, we can make it in English.
I love Jogja so much, and I have been in Bali, Jogja, about 3 months ago.
3 months ago.
3 months later, or 3 months ago, 5 bulan yang lalu.
Oh, 5 is 5, ya. 5 months.
3, sorry. 3 months.
3 bulan yang lalu.
Apa 3 or 5? I'm forget. I watch VNL, no, sorry, Proliga. Every years I go to Proliga. Every years I go to Jogja, and Jogja is very recommended for me because ramah, cheap,
friendly.
Yes, friendly, cheap. And then I don't know, I love Jogja so much.
Okay, so everything in Yogyakarta
Uh,
is cheap ya.
yeah, it's cheap.
Cheap. Okay.
And then Bali sudah lama apa, Mbak? Sudah
Yeah,
sangat lama.
long time ago ya.
Long time ago. If you know Devdan, you know pertunjukan tentang seluruh pulau Indonesia, about Indonesia, Indonesian pertunjukan yang sangat bagus sih, Devdan in Bali. The name is Devdan, if you
The
know.
name is Devdan. Devdan Show.
Devdan Show, yeah.
Oh,
Devdan
see.
Show is recommended, and I go to Kintamani, Tanah Lot, Tirta Empul, and then banyak lagi lah.
Okay, and many more,
Yes,
more.
many more.
Many more itu banyak lagi.
Sorry, groggy, agak
Nervous.
tremor dia. Padahal nggak kelihatan tapi tremor.
It's okay, sis. Yes, I can relate, yeah. But that's very good, yeah, for you to practice and practice, okay?
Yes.
To make you be more confident, biar lebih pede lagi, okay?
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Oke, okay. Kalau tadi 3 bulan atau 5 bulan yang lalu?
5 bulan.
Ya, kita pakai kata ago ya, ago.
Yes.
Nah, yang lalu. Kalau later itu nanti
5
ya.
5 bulan yang akan datang ke sana lagi untuk nonton.
5 bulan yang akan datang. Oke, I will go there 5 months later.
Oke, insyaallah.
Nah, kalau itu baru kita pakai later.
Ya.
Oke. Sis, thank you. I really appreciate. Yeah, that's very good from you. All right. And then the next one, I want to move to Sis Amelia. Yeah, I'll give it to Sis Amelia. Hello, Sis Amelia. Are you there? Sorry, you are still being muted. Masih di mute ya?
Hey bro, good evening.
Good evening. All right. Okay, so Sis Amelia, how about you? Have you ever traveled to those places?
I going to Borobudur, Yogyakarta, Prambanan, Bromo, Jakarta, Bali.
Oh, so many.
Yes, so many.
So many.
Okay. So many apaan?
So many itu banyak. Oh, banyak gitu ya. So many itu banyak.
I think every place is have characteristic.
Okay, good.
In Bali have the culture Hindu, in Yogyakarta have characteristic culture Java, and in Jakarta.
Yeah, Jakarta. Okay. Yeah, Jakarta. All right. In Jakarta
have a characteristic apa ya kayak perkotaan apa sih?
Perkotaan.
Traffic jam.
Yeah, it's like the we call it, it's not citizen ya, but yeah, it's like the big city ya. Big city. City light ya, okay. City light.
Yes, banyak bangunan-bangunan tinggi gitu.
Okay, yeah, many high building. High buildings, tall buildings.
I think every place have aura different.
Different aura.
Yes, and in Bromo have aura nature, strong nature. Aura yang kuat gitu.
Yeah, strong nature aura ya, natural aura.
Yes.
Okay. Enough ya.
Yes.
Okay. All right. It's good. Repeat after me, Sis Amelia. It's not nature, but nature.
Okay. Nature.
Nature. Yeah, alright. Okay.
You.
Dan bilang Jakarta boleh, kita bilang Jakarta itu boleh ya. Tapi kalau kita mau pakai code switch ya jadi Jakarta ya. It's Jakarta.
Itu perintis atau aksen Amerika yang Jakarta itu?
Yang Jakarta itu dua-duanya ya. Jakarta. Ya, dua-duanya orang UK, orang Amerika ketika bilang Jakarta sama ya Jakarta. That's it. Okay. Alright. Okay then. Very good ya, Sis Amelia. It's okay, step by step, sedikit-sedikit ya.
Yes.
Nggak apa-apa dicampur-campur. Kalau ada yang kurang kita luruskan kan gitu ya. That's
Yeah.
very good. Thank you sis Emilia. Thank you so much. That's nice ya from you. Alright. Okay then guys ya. Thank you, appreciate for sis Ajeng, and then who's that? Yang nama Zoomnya Rizky Puji ya. Okay, and then sis Rahma Fitria ya. So maybe later ya. Nanti kita banyak prakteknya. That's very good. Thank you so much. And let me bring you to the berhubungan dengan holiday and vacation. Praktek teman-teman hari ini adalah menceritakan liburan teman-teman ya. Salah satu liburan teman-teman gitu ya. Atau mungkin liburan terbaik teman-teman pernah kemana, sama siapa, kapan ya, ngapain aja waktu itu, dan ya dan yang lain-lain ya. Coba silahkan diingat-ingat kira-kira liburan yang ingin diceritakan yang mana gitu ya. Silahkan ya, it's up to you. Yang jelas itu liburan sudah lampau, berarti nanti pakai bentuk lampau ya. Kalau di basic 1 kita belajar simple past tense pakai verb to. Nah, coba kita terapkan di sini ya. Oke, tapi sekarang kita ke kosakata dulu ya guys. Belajar bahasa tetap harus ada kosakata yang masuk teman-teman ya. Sekalipun hanya beberapa, tapi terus ya setiap harinya harus ada kosakata yang kita hafal. Repeat after me, boleh dinyalakan suaranya ya teman-teman. Yang pertama ada tourist attraction. Please repeat after me guys.
Tourist attraction.
Tourist attraction. Okay. Do you know what is the meaning guys? Ada yang tahu artinya apa? Tourist attraction is
Tempat wisata.
tempat wisata ya. Tourist attraction itu tempat wisata.
Tourist
Good.
attraction.
Next one, travel around. Can you guys travel around? Travel around. Yeah. Travel around is
Jalan-jalan.
jalan-jalan. Ya, jalan-jalan, berkeliling, memutari, mengitari. Nah, itu namanya travel around.
Travel
I travel around Bali misalnya. Tapi ya saya jalan-jalan di Bali gitu. Kemudian, oke, ini ada nih kosakata ini di 2 hari yang lalu ini. Back and forth. Jadi guys, back
and
forth. Bolak-balik.
Nah, bolak-balik.
Bolak-balik PP.
Bolak-balik atau PP ya. Nah, that's it.
and forth.
Ada kan ya 2 hari yang lalu kayaknya ya? 2 atau
Ada.
kemarin ya? Kayaknya materi transportation.
Yeah, transportation.
Yes.
Staycation.
Okay.
Staycation.
Next one, staycation. Staycation. Staycation is
Menginap.
menginap ya, menginap. Oke. Tapi staycation itu menginap untuk liburan ya guys. Kalau hanya kayak menginap di rumah saudara, rumah temen, bukan untuk liburan, itu namanya stay over ya. Stay over. Mungkin saya tuliskan di chat box ya. Stay over. That's it. Oke. Tapi kalau staycation ya ini menginap untuk liburan ya, untuk berlibur. Staycation. Next one, selanjutnya, can you guys explore? Can you explore?
Menjelajahi.
Ya, explore is menjelajahi. Atau menjelajahi, it's okay. Explore. The next one, hand give. Hand give. Hand give is ya buat tangan oleh-oleh ya. Atau boleh kita dengan kata lain yaitu souvenir. Souvenir juga oke lah ya. Souvenir bisa juga sih ya. Souvenir, hand give, buah tangan oleh-oleh. Kemudian, nah ini tadi gimana guys bacanya?
Nature.
Nature ya. Pokoknya kalau ada T-U-R-E bacanya cher. Gambar itu
Picture.
masa yang akan datang itu
Future.
Oke, petualangan itu adventure. Alam itu nature ya. Dan di sini alam ada waterfall. Repeat after me guys, waterfall. Ini apa guys, waterfall? Air terjun. Ada juga beach. Jadi guys, beach.
Pantai.
And then
Mountain.
Nice ya. Yang baca mountain itu sudah benar ya. Jadi bukan mountain tapi mountain. Mountain. That's it. That's mountain. Mountain. Good. Mountain is
Pegunungan.
gunung. Kalau pegunungan itu mount.
Oh,
Nah, mount itu pegunungan, tapi kalau mountain gunung.
Gunung.
Okay, good. The next one guys ada camping. Can you guys
Berkemah.
Kita ke sebelah kanan ada tulisan suite tapi bacanya jangan suite ya, bacanya
Suitcase.
suitcase ya, suitcase. Alright, suitcase is
Koper.
koper ya. Suitcase itu koper, suitcase. Next, destination. Destination is tujuan. Misalnya Labuan Bajo is my next destination. Labuan Bajo adalah tujuanku selanjutnya. Destination ya, tujuan. Next one guys, it's
Zoo.
zoo. Zoo is kebun binatang. The next, sorry ini kurang huruf E ya, harusnya gini. Nah, sunbathe. Sunbathe is Do you like sunbathing guys? Do you like it?
No. I want bracting.
Because sudah Black Mamba.
To be exotic guys ya, biar eksotik, right?
No.
Now,
Exotic
Tourist
ghost
like
song.
exotic,
okay.
but Indonesia not like.
Oke, kalau orang bilang sawo matang ya, ten ya.
Yes.
Busuk.
Sawo busuk kematangan ya.
Buat kesehatan boleh lah berjemur.
Right, okay. Sunbathe ya, sunbathe is berjemur. Okay.
I'm black but sweet.
Black but sweet ya. That's the people one ya. That's it. Okay, next one ini bacanya breathtaking ya, breathtaking view.
Breathtaking view.
Breathtaking view. Itu pemandangan ya. Artinya apa nih? Pemandangan. Breathtaking itu mempesona, indah gitu ya.
Pemandangan indah.
Nah, pemandangan indah. Breathtaking view itu pemandangan yang mempesona, yang indah.
Aku nih ya.
Okay. The last one yang terakhir ada guide. Can you guys guide? Guide is
Pemandu.
kalau guide dari kata kerja artinya memandu, tapi kalau dari kata benda profesi artinya pemandu. Nah, that's it. Ya, tour guide.
Tourist guide.
Ya, tour guide. That's it. Okay, clear enough guys?
Okay. Yes.
Enough.
Yes. Dan di level ini kita juga belajar tentang idiom ya teman-teman. Nah, idiom, ada yang tahu idiom itu apa? What is idiom?
Kata apa ya? Persamaan.
Idiom itu peribahasa. Peribahasa ya. Kalau ada yang baca idiom kurang pas ya, bukan idiom tapi idiom. Oke, idiom ya, peribahasa. Idiom that we must use as English learners ya. Idiom yang harus kita gunakan, kita pakai ya, kita terapkan ya ketika kita belajar bahasa sebagai pembelajar bahasa. Berhubungan dengan holiday and vacation ya guys. Oke, boleh dinyalakan lagi suaranya. Repeat after me. Yang pertama ada busman's holiday.
Busman's
holiday. Busman's holiday. Ada yang bisa nebak nggak kira-kira artinya apa sih busman's holiday itu ya?
Pengusaha
Liburan yang
pengusaha
untuk pengamatan.
Liburan untuk pengamatan. Oke, ada lain?
Busman holiday.
Busman's holiday. Kalau pengusaha itu businessman ya, bukan busman. Busman's holiday itu artinya iya tetap kerja di hari libur.
Saya tetap kerja di tanggal merah biar
Itu
kamu nggak
sebutan
marah-marah.
busman's holiday.
That's me.
Ah, So, are you busman's holiday, guys?
Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
If I traveling, I must go
I like.
bring laptop.
Oh my goodness. Okay. Same with me ya. Same with me. Okay. Alright. Ya, busman's holiday itu tetap kerja ya di hari libur. Misalnya gini nih, can you join us to go to the cinema next weekend? So sorry, I will be busman's holiday. Oh, maaf, aku akan tetap kerja ya di hari libur. Nah, busman's holiday ya, tetap kerja di hari libur. Yang kedua ada back to the drawing board. Repeat after me guys. Back to
the drawing board.
Nah, ada yang bisa nebak gak kira-kira artinya apa sih? Back to the drawing board.
Mulai dari awal.
Rencananya gagal.
Mulai dari awal. Good. Atau artinya merencanakan ulang ya. Back to the drawing board.
Reschedule.
Berarti ada sesuatu yang gagal nggak guys di sini merencanakan ulang?
Ada.
Cancel mungkin karena
Maybe ya bro ya.
back to the drawing board.
Reschedule gimana?
Reschedule, no. Kalau reschedule kan hanya pindah hari aja. Cuman kalau back to the drawing board itu kita mulai ulang lagi.
Dari awal.
Lagi dari nol ya bro Koko ya.
Yes, right. Jadi mulai dari awal lagi. Nah, itu back to the drawing board. And then the next one, nah ini to get away from it all. Can you guys
Get away from it all.
To get
Kabur
away from
aja
it
dulu.
all. Apa tuh guys artinya ya? To get
Kabur
away.
aja dulu gitu.
Dari rutinitas.
Beberapa waktu.
Kabur aja dulu.
Kabur aja dulu ya. To get away from it all itu ya kabur dari penat ya. Menjauh dari kepenatan atau kesibukan guys. That's it. I think I need to go to Bali to get away from it all gitu misalnya. Kayaknya aku butuh ke Bali nih untuk menjauh dari kepenatan. To get away from it all. That's it. Okay. Dan yang terakhir guys yaitu to let hair down. Can you guys
Let hair down.
What is to let hair down? Ada yang bisa nebak? Apa nih artinya? Menjatuhkan rambut itu apa ya?
Nyantai aja dulu.
Iya, nyantai aja dulu ya, atau bersantai ya.
Let's go down.
Bersantai, oke? Bersantai, that's it. Coba dong, ada kalimat kah yang ada kata to let your, ada idiom to let your hair down dari teman-teman?
Easy going.
Easy going mudah bergaul. Coba bikin kalimat yang ada kata to let hair down. Gimana guys? Kalimat dari teman-teman. Bebas, kalimat mengarang aja nggak apa-apa. Okay.
I know you busy, but please try to let hair down.
Okay then. I know that you're busy, but please try to let hair down. Bersantai ya. Aku tahu kamu sibuk, tapi ya cobalah untuk bersantai. That's it. I have to let my hair down. Ini boleh ya dikasih kata my hair down, your hair down. It's okay. Disesuaikan aja siapa yang bersantai. Kalau aku berarti my hair down. Kalau kamu berarti your
hair down.
Nah, seperti itu. Ini idiom ya teman-teman. Kalau teman-teman nonton film itu sering ketemu idiom, really. Oke. Kadang ketemu idiom, kadang slang ya. Slang itu apa sih guys? Jangan bilang slang itu band ya. That's no. But slang is bahasa gaul. Bahasa gaul. That's slang.
Berarti Bro Koko kalau lagi santai, lagi nyantai nih bisa pakai to let hair down.
Boleh. Okay. What are you doing today? Apa yang kamu lakukan hari ini ya? I think it's just let hair down.
Berarti pakai my.
Iya, pakai my. Let my hair down.
Let my hair down.
Let my hair down.
Let my hair down.
Okay?
Ya,
Clear enough, guys?
Clear enough.
Clear now.
Right. Okay then. Very good. Is there any question?
Kalau
No.
kalau Bro
Not
Koko
yet.
maybe someday I get hair down with my friend gitu bisa nggak?
Bisa, tapi kalau someday masih akan, berarti kita butuh kata will. Someday I will gitu, let my hair down with my friends. Bisa, bisa. Oke?
Ya, siap.
Alright. Okay, guys. So this is your turn ya for practicing. Ini waktunya teman-teman untuk praktek ya. Sebelum kita weekendan nih 2 hari tanpa kelas ya di Sabtu Minggu besok. Sekarang silahkan dipraktekkan untuk bercerita ya. So you need to tell to your friends. Describe the perfect holiday you had. Saya langsung bawa teman-teman ke praktek yang ini karena saya yakin masing-masing punya cerita sendiri ya. So please describe the perfect holiday you had. Deskripsikan, gambarkan ya hari liburan yang sempurna yang kamu miliki dulu ya. Had itu lampau, berarti intinya teman-teman menceritakan liburan terbaik teman-teman. Oke? Salah satu liburan aja. I will divide you into some group ya. Saya bagi ke beberapa room, ke group, and make breakout room ya. It's like usual. Inside the room, please tell a perfect holiday you had. Di breakout room, silakan menceritakan liburan terbaik teman-teman yang pernah dilakukan di masa lampau. Oke? Cara bercerita gimana? Kita bisa pakai 5W1H ya, teman-teman ya. Pakai what. What itu apa? Oke, mungkin apa yang teman-teman beli saat itu, apa yang teman-teman lakukan pada saat itu. And then when, kapan, where, di mana, kemana waktu itu. Why, mengapa, mengapa memilih misalnya ke Bali, mengapa Bali. Nah, kemudian ada who siapa aja waktu itu. How, bagaimana proses liburannya waktu itu. Gitu. Jadi caranya seperti itu ya, 5W1H bisa teman-teman gunakan untuk mendeskripsikan teman-teman pernah liburan terbaik kemana. Okay, so you have time one person around 5 minutes ya, satu orang nanti 5 menitan buat teman-teman. Are you ready guys? Sudah siap untuk praktek hari ini? Are you ready for it?
Ready.
Okay, take turn ya. Take turn, it's like usual, seperti biasa teman-teman. Dan sekali lagi kalau belum ada saya di roomnya, langsung dimulai ya. Saya harus muter dari satu room ke room yang lain. And please, make sure that your connection is stable ya. Pastikan koneksinya stabil. Jadi teman-teman bisa langsung mulai di breakout room masing-masing. Okay, let's go. Click join. Have a nice practicing. And enjoy the breakout room today, guys. Good luck to all of us.
Hello.
Hello.
Okay.
Can we practice?
Okay.
Okay. First time I want to ask to Sis Atika. Are you here? Hello, Sis Atika. Or Sis Faya, maybe?
Hello.
Okay. Let me try to practice now.
Boleh. Sis yang cerita apa
Have you
aku yang
ever... Saya nanya dulu ya.
Okay.
Have you ever been go to holiday?
Yes, I have go to holiday.
Where is the place?
I
Where is...
went to Borobudur Temple.
Wow, in Jogja ya.
Yang di Magelang Prambanan ya?
Prambanan di
Sorry,
Jogja.
Ken. Oh, berarti benar Borobudur di Magelang. I went to Borobudur Temple.
It is the most memorable time in the holiday. Miss Lily. Hello, Sis Rahma. Are you here?
Halo.
Can you practice? Mute.
Aku tak tahu apa ya. Aku butuh di hutan dan sorry pabrik. Maaf, sinyalnya hujan deras, maaf. Ya, bisa. Sun ya. Hujan tapi. Hujan deh.
Miss Lili mungkin bisa di mute dulu, Miss.
Tuh, cerita mulai. Iki Pak.
Can you tell us about your vacation experience one by one, maybe?
Ini kerasa kene. Anu
My
Nega.
vacation is with my family.
Iki
We go to
yo.
London.
Yo boksa Iki enggak? Iki lo. Oh tutu. Jangan
Terganggu ya. Nggak
Miss
kedengeran.
Lily. Miss Lily, please. Hello, Miss Lily. Sis Lily. Thank you, Sis Rahma.
Ya.
What's your favorite holiday? Anu
Oh my
dek ini
God.
ini.
My favorite holiday in Bali. I will tell you about my vacation in 2021, sister.
Okay.
I travel around in Ubud, Bali with my friends. It was very memorable because it was our first time exploring Bali, and I drove the car myself, gitu. So it was a real adrenaline rush. The time. The atmosphere in Ubud, Bali is very beautiful, cold and peaceful, and I really want to go back there. Eating enough? Thank you.
Kayak bakso.
You do it.
Yes, sister.
How many times do you go with?
How many times?
Berapa orang temannya?
10. I forget. 10.
Okay. Maybe.
What's this? Oh my God.
Iki nek sapa ya kan aku menjero. Iku ae lah kena kawan.
Oh my God. Miss Lily. Miss Lily. Hello.
Kena.
Hello, Miss Lily.
Wong ana di kono, wong iki nang jero kono ya ndak digowo.
Oh my God. I can hear you. Oh my God. Can hear you. How about you, Miss Uma Sukma?
The most memorable holiday I've ever been is in Lembang with my family.
Bandung. Okay.
Yes. Okay. Because I live in Bandung.
Oh.
Omang tapen dhisik aku. Iya. Ngono
Where are the recommended tourist spot in Bandung, sister?
kena masuk. Tak apa wis, enggak usah sing Dik. Iki bawaan wis kan. Enggak usah dikek.
Miss Sukma? Oh, nggak ada. How about si Santi? Or Bro Hasan? Sis or Bro Net?
Enggak usah wis yo iku ae Dik nih. Hah? Lah yo aku njero mani jero kene kapongan iki. Balik. Ya apa ana usaha. Ya wis. Wis tak usah yo. Enggak apa-apa. Enggak usah wis iku ae wis. Kekno giyo tok ae situ.
Liane ndak usah. Pekmu situ. Kono maksud situ. Oh, kayak naresa situ. Maksud kayak iki ae ta, maksud. Kok rasa ngamuk-ngamuk. Tapi segone akeh kita. Ya wis. Ah, kene mandek Mas Surama ya apa. Ndekne wong lek. Iki wis apa yuk? Iki. Iki ireng mau. Oh iya boleh. Ini ya. Pakai mano. Iya wes. Iki. Oh. Mau model apa kok iki tambahin ini. Yo, iki bocor iki mau. Yo. Iki. Wis iku kok terno ya. Yo. Tetep semula. Yo. Untuk diinteni ya. Yo. Yo. Boleh. Yo, wes hati-hati ya.
Boleh. Yo, hati-hati ya. Yo.
Yo. Iya. Dia kadang di tengah teman itu kadang sama. Hah? Beneran kok. Baik ucapkan sampai nih nggak ditakein situ. Saya tengok dulu. Hey. Rawon atau? Pancen nek ngono tak dadekno situ. Yo tak tutupi. Apa?
Hello guys, hello buddies.
Hello.
Halo.
Okay,
Halo,
have you
bro.
finished guys?
Finish.
Finish ya.
Yes.
Oke.
Tadi keluar sendiri, bro.
Tapi
Koko.
kurang lama ya.
Kurang lama belum
Seru.
selesai.
Iya, seru juga ngobrolnya.
Masih seru.
Walaupun
Sorry
capek
guys.
terus.
We will continue
Ya,
again.
lagi ngomongin Jogja.
Kita lagi jadi duta pariwisata.
Really sorry for that one ya. Kalau waktunya kurang, so means that you enjoy ya. Berarti kita menikmati breakout room.
Ya, sangat-sangat menikmati. Mimi enjoy it.
Duta pariwisata dan duta
Iya.
oleh-oleh.
Duta pariwisata every place.
Duta
Alright.
oleh-oleh.
Okay, so sorry for that one ya, but I promise guys for the next untuk kedepannya di minggu kedua, ketiga, keempat nanti kita bisa lebih lama. Okay, everybody?
Okay, thank you.
Okay, a bit correction ya.
Mempersiapkan banyak kosakata.
Harus. Tapi percaya nggak percaya ya, kosakata yang kita pelajari hari ini pasti kita ketemu lagi, kita gunakan lagi ke depannya. Really?
Yes.
Pasti ya, itu pasti.
Bro Koko,
Hmm.
aku pengen bisa komunikasi dua arah tapi pakai bahasa Inggris gitu, tapi aku belum lancar. Gimana caranya? Tips and trick.
Tipsnya harus berlatih, tidak ada cara lain sister. Kita
Yes,
harus
brave.
banyak berlatih. Ya,
Ya.
harus berani. That's it.
Mau 150.
Oke, harus berani. Kalau kita pengen bisa ngomong, harus ngomong. Kalau kita pengen bisa paham, harus banyak listening atau mendengarkan. Jadi sekalipun kita praktek dengan teman-teman kita di sini, kita mendengarkan, itu praktek listening, guys. Kalau kita bicara, itu praktek speaking. Kalau teman-teman sambil nyatet, itu praktek writing, ya. Kalau ada yang menjelaskan, membaca, kita juga ikut baca, itu praktek reading. Jadi semuanya sebenarnya kita praktekkan tanpa kita sadari. Tapi ya sekali lagi harus secara konsisten ya setiap hari. Oke guys? Oke ya?
Oke, bro.
Nah ini saya kasih kunci ya teman-teman. Ketika teman-teman berbicara tentang verb, kata kerja. Ketika pakai kata kerja, subjek langsung kata kerja ya guys. I go atau I am go. Sekali lagi guys. Go itu kan kata kerja ya, ya berarti langsung aja subjeknya I terus go gitu. I go.
Jadi nggak boleh bilang I am go ya.
Bukan I am go. I am go.
Gitu
Tapi
loh.
karena perginya lampau, verb 2 dari go itu apa guys?
When.
Nah, jadinya
I went.
nah, itu. Oke, saya tadi masih dengar ada yang I was go gitu, bukan I was go ya, tapi I went. Nah, seperti itu.
Kalau gun, bro, gun.
Kalau gone itu verb 3. Verb 3, bro. Itu
Tiga.
artinya telah nanti. I have gone. Aku
when,
telah pergi. Go when gone.
Go when gone.
Oke.
Kemudian tadi ada teman kita yang bicara tentang pulang kampung ya. Pulang kampung itu homecoming ya guys. Homecoming. Sebutan untuk pulang kampung itu homecoming. Kemudian ketika bilang di sini dan di sana itu bukan in here ya, tapi here aja guys. Dan di sana itu bukan in there ya, tapi there.
Here dan there aja.
Nah, that's it. Aku di sini, I am
here.
Jadi kita nggak perlu bilang I am in here ya, tapi I'm here. Oke? Kamu di sana, you are
there.
Sorry bro.
Nggak apa-apa sister. It's okay.
Terlambat nggak bisa, bingung.
Nggak apa-apa sister. It's okay ya.
It's okay, sister, itu.
Nah, saya nggak nyebutkan tadi siapa yang berbicara ini juga ya, nggak apa-apa. Kita belajar sama-sama ya guys, kita pelajari sama-sama.
Supaya jangan salah lagi ya kok.
Nah itu dia ya, oke. Nggak mungkin saya langsung tembak. Ini sister ini bro ini, gitu enggak ya guys? No, tidak. Oke. Jadi kita buat semuanya.
Bro Koko.
Ya bro.
Mungkin di antara teman-teman yang di basic itu ini saya paling nggak bagus sepertinya ya.
Enggak bro, paling Oke bro, paling bagus bro.
Don't insecure.
Sama.
Don't insecure.
Bro Paiman, really.
Don't worry.
Oke.
Pak Iman udah pintar, udah bisa
Itu hanya perasaanmu saja. Apa bahasa Inggrisnya?
Sorry.
Cinta lokasi.
Itu perasaanmu aja. Itu bahasa Inggrisnya.
Ya, it's just your feeling.
It's your feeling.
It's just your feeling.
Yeah, it's your feeling.
It's just your feeling. No hard feeling.
It doesn't matter, bro. Just your feeling.
Nah, tapi Bro Paiman sudah punya modal yang bagus yaitu kepercayaan diri ya. That's very good.
My model is only high confidence.
High confidence. That's very good, bro. You have to have it.
That's very good.
Nah, banyak orang yang tahu teorinya tapi nggak punya kepercayaan diri untuk bicara. Nah, banyak kan ya yang seperti itu.
That's me.
Kayak
That's me.
Saya.
Aku belum percaya diri, Bro Koko, suka malu kalau orang-orang ngomong cecos, aku nggak bisa sendiri.
Oke. Yang perlu kita tanamkan guys, ketika kita bicara, jangan mikir nanti dia paham nggak ya gitu. Kalau dia pun nggak paham ya sudah, itu urusan dia gitu aja. Iya kan? Yang penting kita kan ngomong aja, dia nggak paham ya udah itu urusan dia gitu.
Bro Koko, sometimes
Kalau
ngeblame.
nggak paham makin nanya harusnya ya.
Nah, kalau dia nggak paham pasti dia nanya, what do you mean? Nah, di situ baru kita, oh dia nggak paham nih, berarti ada yang salah di kitanya. Atau mungkin emang dianya belum paham. That's it. Nggak apa-apa, emang seperti itu guys caranya ya. Kalau kita terlalu takut dengan diri sendiri, ya kita nggak akan ngomong. Really.
Justin Bieber ya, what do you mean gitu ya.
Nah, pasti nanya what do you mean gitu.
I don't care about anything.
That's it. Just do guys, just speak. Okay? One more time. Satu lagi ya, ketika bilang person sama people guys, artinya sama-sama orang. Tapi kalau ada kata many kan banyak ya.
Banyak
many
orang.
itu
People
ya, many people. Kalau person itu satu orang
Just one, ya.
Nah, itu dia one person. A
One
person.
Mulai jam berapa mau?
Tapi kalau banyak, many people.
Many people.
One person, two person, two.
Kalau two bukan lagi person tapi two people. One person, two people. Nah, seperti itu. Oke. Mulai jam berapa bro gabungnya? Kelas kita jam 8 ya guys. Really. Oh, ada teman kita yang masih bingung. Kelas kita jam 8 malam ya, Senin sampai Jumat ya. Jadi ketika jam 8 malam teman-teman sudah masuk ke linknya ya. Linknya ada di deskripsi WA kita. Gitu. Dan Sabtu Minggu kita libur ya. Besok kita libur teman-teman. Happy weekend to all of you guys. Selamat berakhir pekan. Kita ketemu lagi di hari Senin ya.
Happy weekend, Bro Koko.
Happy weekend. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you guys.
you.
Have a nice weekend.
You guys.
Have a nice weekend.
Bye, Pak
Bye.
Paiman.
Thank you. Oh.
Bye, Bro Paiman.
Bye, Pak Paiman.
Tweet.
Nggak ikutan ah.
Prikitiu, awe.
Ono gak iku sing saka Jawa ono gak iku? Ono ora?
Yo, aku Jawa.
Aku suka Jawa juga, Pak.
Jawa Lumajang.
Aku yo Jawa.
Aku Jawa Barat.
Aku Jawa Tengah.
Nanti Jawa nih, Mbak. Pundi Jawa nih?
Jawa Tengah, Sragen.
Aku Semarang.
Aku Jawa.
Bro Paiman, you want to say
Aku mau diupdate Jawa juga, Jawa Barat.
I think Bro Paiman is the most favorite people here.
Nah.
Thank you so much. I see.
Ada Pak Iman.
Uncle Paiman.
Paiman, so sweet.
Uncle Paiman.
Don't say Pak Paiman.